Hi there, this is Lida. In this video, we're going to see how we can build our own gradebook into DreamClass in a few simple steps. So firstly, I would like you to head over to classes and then select one of your rosters and then go into a specific course. I will select the math. So each course has a tab called Grading and Evaluation, and that's the tab that you should head over to see the grades that teachers have put in or finalize the grades for the report cards. So I will stop here first. The teacher gradebook in DreamClass is very simple. It's the grades that the teachers put through their teacher portal throughout the year, and here you can see the grades that they've put in. So I would like to explain, first of all, what are your options. In DreamClass, you have a family of grades that we refer to as the folder. Within the folder, in this case, I've named the folder Quarter 1 because I would like to group my grades together based on the grading term Quarter 1. In Quarter 1, we evaluate three things: the participation in classwork, projects and assessments, and there's also a final exam. Let's add a grade. When you click the ellipsis icon, by selecting Quick Fill, you can type any grade, and DreamClass will go ahead and fill this list out. If you would like to obviously not do that for all of the students if they didn't reach the same grade, you can select the cell and you can individually type a grade. What's fascinating is that if your system is not numerical, you can click this little icon again to modify the mapping. We call that a gradebook mapping when the system converts numbers to letters or the other way around. Now, what happens when we have a type of grade that repeats itself, such as weekly classwork participation? I will create another grade, but now we'll put it under here. So what's the difference between this and that column? This is for their classwork participation for week 1. This is for week 2. Let's go ahead and fill the grades out. In this case, you can see that we have week 1 and week 2. So the folders capability is that not only it allows you to put multiple grades of the same nature in one, but it also gives you automatically the average calculation. So you can see how quickly we have 85 and 60, and you can see the average of those grades over here. That is usually a work that the teacher does from the teacher portal throughout the year. But if you would like to issue now report cards as an administrator, you're able to see that there's a section called term and final grades. So one of those grades that you have put in for Quarter 1 could potentially be the final grade of the student for that specific course. So if we head over to George Carter and if we select grading and evaluation, you can see that this student has Quarter 1, Quarter 2, Quarter 3, and Quarter 4, and you can see that that's also exportable in PDF. And let's see how that looks like. We have now A+ for math. If you would like to not have numerical grades in your report cards, you can totally do that. And the way to accomplish that is through grading and settings. So in here, you can change things like, instead of having a quarterly based system, you can have trimester or semester. And for the gradebook scheme, as we call it, you can remove the mapping. And if you do so by visiting again one of your students, I will go again to George Carter, you can see that the report card no longer has A+, A-, but it has a numerical scale. What's also very powerful in DreamClass is that in a report card, you can also add teacher comments. So teacher comments are comments that the teacher have written throughout the year. You can do so by heading over to the report card comment section, and you can create one from scratch for term 1. You write the comment and then you click show in report card. In this way, you will be able to have this beautiful description of how George did in literature and in any other course that they might have taken. And last but not least, in your report card, all the attendance summary that the student has accomplished will be visible right here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to have a more in-depth overview about how the gradebook works, just contact sales@dreamclass.io or visit our website www.dreamclass.io over to book a demo, and we will be happy to walk you through the report card in further detail as well as the gradebook. Have a beautiful day and thank you for watching. Bye!